Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve the question answers from the 9th standard English, the poem The Wonderful Words. Answer the following questions and discuss the responses with your partner. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ದ ಪೋಯಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಅಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಟ್ ಡೈ? ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ the poet asks us never to let a thought shrivel and die. The next question is English is a game to play. How does the poet justify it? Answer: the poet justifies it by stating that English is a wonderful game and all of us can play it. The justification lies in the idea that one simply needs to match the words to the brightest thoughts in one's head, so that they come out clear, true, handsomely groomed and fed. The next question, the poet speaks about matching words. What should we match the words with? The answer is, we should match the words to the brightest thoughts in our head. What has never been said yet according to the poet? The answer is, according to the poet, many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. Read lines 11 and 12 in the poem. Words are the food and dress of thought. They give it its body and swing. What do you understand by these lines? The answer is, these lines suggest that words give thoughts their form, structure, and movement. Just as food nourishes a body and clothes dress it, words provide thoughts with their body and swing, enabling them to be expressed and understood by others. What does everyone try to hear and see afresh? The answer is, everyone is longing today to hear some fresh and beautiful thing. The poet mentions prison in line 16. What according to her is imprisoned? Answer: according to the poet, a thought is imprisoned behind one's eyes. Only words can free this thought. Now move on to the next main, that is read and appreciate. Which lines in the poem strike you the most? For example, in line 1, the poet says, never let a thought shrivel and die. This is a thought-provoking line. Can you think of some other lines which are highly thought-provoking? Discuss in a small group and share your responses. The answer is, this is a task for the reader and does not have a direct answer in the text, but the poem itself contains several thought-provoking lines. For instance, for many of loveliest things have never yet been said. This line highlights the vast potential of unspoken ideas and emotions. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಏನು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಪೋಯಮ್, ನೀವು ಸ್ವಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. Continuously, words are the food and dress of thought. They give it its body and swing. This metaphor vividly describes the essential role of language in shaping and presenting ideas. But only words can free a thought from its prison behind your eyes. This powerfully conveys the internal thought remain trapped until articulated through words. The next question is, words alone are good, says a great Indian poet. Can you relate the meaning of the statement with the theme of the poem you have studied? Share your ideas with your classmates. The answer is, this is a task for the reader and does not have a direct answer in the text. However, the poem The Wonderful Words strongly supports the idea that words are invaluable. The theme of the poem is that words are essential for expressing thoughts, preventing them from shrivel and die. It suggests that words enable brightest thoughts to come out clear and true, and that everyone longs to hear some fresh and beautiful things, which can only be achieved through words. Thus, the poem aligns with the notion that words are fundamentally good, as they are very mechanism for communication, creativity, and sharing of ideas. Next question is, our philosophy advocates the oneness, unanimity of kaya, work, vacha, speech, and manasa, thoughts. How far does this poem support this philosophy? The answer is, this is a task for the reader and does not have a direct answer in the text. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಹ ನೀವು ಓದುವವರು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೂ ಸಹ, however, the wonderful words supports the philosophy of the oneness of vacha and manasa quite strongly. The poem's central message is about finding the right words to express the brightest thoughts in one's head. It describes words as the food and dress of thought, giving thoughts body and swing, implying a direct and essential connection between thought and speech. The poem explicitly states that only words can free a thought from its prison behind your eyes, thus advocating for the manifestation of inner thoughts through clear and beautiful speech. While it focuses primarily on thought and speech, the emphasizes on beautiful and clear expression can indirectly influence kaya by promoting thoughtful and intentional communication in all actions. Okay, then this is all about the question answers from this chapter. Thanks for watching my videos. Please, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel, like and comment me. Thanks for watching my videos once again.